Hello friends, good morning all of you all and welcome back to the session. In today's session we are going to do cuts of potatoes. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Associate Professor Imran Sayed and I am the Head of Department of Food Production at MA Remunola Institute of Hotel Management and Research, Azam campus. Right, in today's session we are going to learn about the basic cuts of potatoes, how potatoes are actually utilized at various stages in the culinary production at various courses. And as you know that potato is a tuber and a very versatile vegetable that is utilized at all stages of your cooking processes. Right from the starter, you can say even to the desserts, you can make something or the other of potatoes. Something I would like to tell of potatoes. Potatoes are the tubers which are grown like 7 to 5,000 years like BC and was firstly introduced in terms of agriculture and cultivation by the Chinese conqueror as well as the Greek and also in certain Roman history. So potatoes has a vast history of its cultivation and nutrition wise also you all know that is full of starch and can be utilized at for production of energy at various courses, like of course we utilize more into as an accompaniment. So friends, today we will start with the cuts of potatoes and like starting take for the potatoes. We only have two varieties of potatoes that are basically used in India, but the varieties of potato there are more than 5,000 varieties of potato as very well known, and out of which 3,000 to 3,500 potatoes are only available in South America, Chile, Peru, as well as in the southern part of Venezuela. So you can say that most of the varieties are all in the Andes of South America, and in India, coming back, we have the two varieties of potatoes which are utilized. And in Pune, if you say specifically, we have the potatoes which are very famous, that's called as Talegaon potatoes, which are very sweet, mellow, and gives a very good flavor for the dishes which we are utilizing. So friends, we'll start with the potato cuts. We take with the potatoes. Right, we have peeled the potatoes and kept it. And I would like to say that I'm using the chef knife, the basic chef knife we have. Yes, so we start with the cuts of potato. Now remember that potato can be cut into various shapes and sizes, but the basic one that we know is which will be cut into two halves that is utilized into Indian gravies, sauces also. And the other cut which is normally used in Indian cuisine as well continental is potato 1/4. That the size is almost 1 inch by 1 inch. Okay, that potato is cut into four. That is called as a bigger dice, and the one is 1 into half. Now I'll start with actually the cuts of potato which require a knife to be cut into. Now we have this potato, okay, which will cut into two halves, and then one we have a rounder. The thickness is almost 3 mm. Now the first cut that I'm going to show you is the alumet cut. Okay, and in alumet you have two variations, that is alumet and julienne. Now always remember that alumet is much smaller in size, that is 1 mm by 1 mm into 25 mm. So the thickness you remember it's 1 mm by 1 mm. Okay, and then it goes to almost 25 mm. So the size of an alumet almost ranges in this size. You can see 1 by 1 by 1 by 25. Okay, for an alumet. Now you can see the julienne is almost similar, but the size is not 25 but 18. So this is the one, but then you remember that it is this called as also the matchstick cut. So this is an alumet and this one is the julienne. Now remember the second size that we are going to learn is the bâtonnet, okay, or the batons which you call. It is almost the size of the matchstick one which we did julienne, but the size is 3 mm by 3 mm and then 18. You can see this one. This one is called as the batons, okay, and the one is also utilized for French fries in McDonald's, the cut. Now if you cut the same batons into square, which will termed as Macedonine, okay, 3 by 3 by 3 will be termed as the Macedonine cut. Now, for instance, if you have a smaller version of Macedonine, okay, this is called a smaller version of Macedonine. And if you have the one cut as the baton and square is called as a Brunoise. Okay, so 3 mm by 3 mm by 3 mm, so will be called as the Brunoise. So this cut will be the Brunoise, the smaller version of Macedonine. This is the baton, Julian, and the pomme de terre alumet. It is. Now we have the version, you can say the round one, which you say is cut almost 3 mm and utilized for as sliced potatoes, and can be also used in various dishes like Duffinis potato, boulanger potatoes. So this is the sliced potato. Under the half of slice will be called as the paisen. So this one, you can say, this cut of potato could call as the paisen cut. Now remember students, these are the basic cuts. Okay, we have more cuts, but I'll just again give a review of this. The cut which is small, okay, 1 by 1 by 1 and 25 is alumet. 1 by 1 by 1 by 18 is Julian. Then you have the batons. We have the Macedonine. We have smaller version of Macedonine. We have the Brunoise. We have the sliced potato and the paisen potato. Okay. Now another version of the alumet, you can say, is the Jardin. Now I'll just like to say the Jardin is more, you can say, sound in the shape of a matchstick. You can call it as the Jardin. Okay. The size is almost 4 mm by 4 mm. Okay. Little bigger than the matchstick size. Now students, we have the basic cuts of potato that you have learned. Now I'll just show you the other version of potato in the roast, which is termed as the Chateau potato. Now Chateau has a different shape. I'll just show you. It is called as the barrel shape also. Now you have two barrel shapes. One is the smaller version of barrel, which is called as the noisette. I'll first show you the bigger version of barrel. It's a straight strides that you have to cut from like pole to pole cuts. From the south, move on towards the north. Can you see it? Yes. This is the version. Don't try to play around with the potato, that you don't want more of the potato to be wasted. Just give a turn shape, and this is also called as a turn potato or roast potato or the barrel one. And the other name is the Chateau. Roast potato, turn potato, barrel potato. Okay, the name is Chateau. The smaller version of Chateau would be called as the noisette. I just put the trimmings on one side. You have to also remember that while you work on, take care of the cleanliness and hygiene of the area working in. Now, I'll just show you the one noisette. Pomme de terre noisette is the smaller version of Chateau. Now this one is a smaller version of your turned potato, called also as the noisette, pomme de terre noisette. Okay. Now we move on to the other cut. This is called as the potato wedges. Now remember, potato wedges can be done with the skin or without the skin. So normally I am showing you the without skin version of it. Okay. One straight stride that you move on from the north towards the south. Okay. And then you move on. So you can say on average you can cut it into 3 or 4. So this is the this is the wedges, potato wedges. This is normally utilized in the Mexican cuisine as the accompaniments which have been given with, you can say, tortillas, okay, chilaquilas, and the chimichangas. So this is the basic cuts of potato, students, and I hope you all have understood this. I'll once more give a revision of what we have actually done today in the session. So first cut I showed you is the alumet. Second one is the mastic sized potato called as a julienne. The third is the garden. The fourth one is the baton. The smaller version cut of baton, macedonine, smaller version of macedonine. Brunoise, slice potatoes, Paisen. Turned potato, roast potato, or you can say called as a barrel potato. Okay, that is a chateau. And the smaller version of chateau, the noisette, pomme de terre noisette, and we have the potato wedges. So students, this is the basic cuts of potato that have been actually utilized in your kitchen. Thank you so much. So students, this was a session of basic cuts of potato which we did, and understand that you have to utilize these potato cuts at all the kitchens whichever you work into, Oriental, Continental or Indian. And students, remember that you have to learn this, and if you have any doubts, please you can drop down comments in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel as well as press the bell icon so that whenever we post new videos you will be the first one for it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day from all of us at M.A. Ramunwala Institute of Hotel Management Research. Stay tuned. Take care of yourself. Bye.